Trevor, what happened?
Oh man, she just cut her line. Her leg is stuck there. She heard a pop, a crack. She is screaming.
Okay. All right, here's the jaw briefing. Everything's pretty much explained about the tree. Okay. Mandy, how you doing up there? Did she give any?
Yes, she said she heard a pop and a crack, and it feels like it's about to be torn off.
Okay, here you go. Here's a jaw briefing. Call 911. Let them know we're at 123 Dead Man's Lane. We got some work trucks here. Got a climber aloft in a walnut tree.
What do you want me to do?
You go ahead and start setting a line. I'll get you your ropes and everything that you need. We're going to go up on a snake anchor. Use a 3-in-1 as an aerial rescue. I'll get your ropes over to you and set up the snake anchor real quick.
We're working in two walnuts with a kick truck with a red zipper on it. The truck is white with a big aluminum body.
How you doing up there, Mandy? Quick visual inspection of the tree. Looks like something hit it. Healed over well though, so we should be good.
Stand clear, throwing.
Trevin's on the phone with 911 right now, Mandy, getting you some medical attention out here.
All clear?
All clear.
Yes, I am first aid.
Yep. All right, you want to set the lines on there and I'll pull it through.
All right. Just got off the phone. They will be here in 10 minutes.
All right, Trevin, in the meantime, can you start clearing out the drop zone for me? And since you're first aid, CPR certified, go ahead and get the first aid kit. Maybe set a splint for when we get her down to the ground if the paramedics aren't here yet.
Mandy, we're coming.
Be right there, Mandy.
Center lines.
All right, go ahead.
My system's on the side of my bag. You want to grab it?
Sure will.
Coming up, Mandy. Don't worry. Just set our alpines on that side so we can send this side.
We really need to get that weight off her leg.
Yep.
Yep, she's hanging upside down. She's getting a lot of blood rushing through her head. We got to get up there as quick as possible. Try to get her upright.
Might want to get that saw stowed.
Yeah, I'll go up and see how she's doing, get her saw stowed.
Mandy, you okay?
We got some hazards. We got a power line across the road from us right there. We got another driveway, so just keep an eye open for traffic.
All right, I'm gonna pull the throw line out. Throw line coming down.
All clear?
How you doing up there, Mandy?
She's hanging out. All right, throw line's out.
Hey, Levi, you want to go ahead and put your rope runner on? Go ahead and start ascending. Go up there and comfort her. Let her know we're on our way up while I set the 3-in-1 to get her out of there.
Yep. Trevin.
I've got the aerial rescue bag ready for you.
Thank you. Go ahead and bring it over here.
Bring that over and double load test this with me.
Who's taking it?
I'm going to take it up. Thank you.
Double load test this real quick. Yep. Good.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Do you need anything else? Aerial rescue bag is on pat.
Just make sure the drop zone is clear. Good route for paramedics to hit when we
Watch
come down
out
to the
for her
ground.
saw. It's just dangling there.
Thank you. How you doing up there, Mandy?
We're coming.
We'll be up there in just a second.
Paramedics will be here in 7 minutes.
Thank you.
Trevin, you got your splint. You got your splint and stuff ready for when we hit the ground.
Yep, all ready.
Go ahead,
All right, I'm coming up, Mandy.
They said we're gonna have to apply first aid here. Just go over and check on her.
Yep.
Go ahead and go over top of my line when you get up there.
Mandy, it's all right.
Come
I'm
on,
coming.
Mandy.
Patrick, her rope's cut up here, dangling. Be careful of that.
Okay.
Okay, coming to you, Mandy. All right, you can start coming up.
All right.
Can you get
Hey,
her
Mandy.
lanyard tightened up? She's just hanging by her ankle.
Coming down, Mandy. Set my lanyard real quick.
All clear.
How you doing, Mandy? We're here to get you down. Hang in there just a little bit longer. You'll be on the ground.
Do you see any cuts or anything on her?
I don't see any
Okay, just
bleeding.
making sure.
Mandy,
She's
you
still
look good. I think you just
Cautious.
got a broken leg, Mandy, but the paramedics gonna figure it out. I'm gonna tighten your lanyard up.
Oh, that's gotta feel better, huh, Mandy?
Yeah, get some pressure off that leg. All right, system's tightened up. I can't lift her up just by the lanyard pad. I'm gonna wait for the rescue bag.
Can you clip her to you?
Yeah, let me get my system under there. Stand clear, loose gear.
All clear?
I'm done do my lanyard here, Mandy. And I'll clip myself to you. Sick. No bueno. Coming down to you, Mandy.
Hooking up the 3-in-1 now.
Spinning you around, Mandy. Trying not to move your ankle here. With the knee to me, okay?
Rope bag coming down. Stand clear.
You have 4 minutes until
Have I got it all
First
clear?
aid.
Rope bag.
all clear.
Thank you.
All right, she's lanyard to me, Pat. I'm ready for the area rescue kit.
Can you still her saw, Levi?
Yeah. Oh man, Mandy, you're excited to use this new saw,
I
huh?
might want to just put it on you.
Really getting
Yeah.
that loose
Walk her
there.
arm.
All right, Mandy.
All right, here it comes, Mandy.
There.
Put this. Put it on me, Mandy. How's that? There we go. Coming down, Pat. Kick that down to me. Oop. Whoopsie. There you go.
Hang on, Mandy.
Clip the system to her. I'm gonna have you lift her.
Hold on 1 second, Levi. I'm gonna put a redirect in so we get a little bit better of a pull.
All right, go ahead. Okay, you want to pull her? Lift her. I'll hold her leg. I need you to help me
Are
come
you
down.
clipped
stabilize
into her
her.
bridge?
I'm clipped in. We're all ready to go.
All right.
I'm
There we
holding her
go.
leg. I got her leg up. You want to get it out of the crotch there?
Can you unclip her lanyard for me?
Yep. Lanyard's unclipped. You want to toss it back down around to me?
Yep. You got her leg. I'm gonna let go.
I got the leg.
All right.
Don't let it drop. Let me clip it back to her.
All right. I'm gonna come down and assist you in lowering her.
Okay. You want to hold her head up?
Yep.
Hold her head up and hold her leg.
There you go, Mandy.
I'm a splint
Try
down.
to
her
get you
leg.
straightened up a little bit. You got her leg over there.
Nope.
Put her head on.
There we go.
All right,
Got her
nice and
leg.
slow. All right, here we go, Mandy. Nice and easy.
All right. We're here, Mandy. I'm gonna hold her leg.
All right.
Ooh, that thing's messed up. Jeez, Mandy.
All right, nice
Help
and
stabilize
easy.
her, lay her
Got her
down.
leg.
All right, goodness.
Let me unclip from her.
Oh my goodness. Oh
Yeah,
wow, it
flip
looks
her.
like she might have dislocated this thing.
How you doing, Mandy? You want to check her other leg, Levi?
She's over.
Clips. How you
Yep.
feeling, Mandy?
I don't see
Still
any
no
bleeding.
cuts.
I'll hold the leg. You want
Thank
to
you.
apply that?
Other leg feels good. There might be something wrong
Hang
with her
on,
hip
Mandy.
there.
Sorry for any discomfort. Hold that down for me.
There we go. It's gotta feel better being out of that crotch.
The EMS should be here any minute, Mandy. And get this splint on you.
Oh, I'm gonna have to kind of put this just barely tight, Mandy.
How do you feel other than your ankle, Mandy? Anywhere else hurt on you? Just your ankle? All right.
Okay. Yep.
I hear EMS coming down the driveway now. They should be able to come over and take over from here any second for you, Mandy, to get you in there and get you all fixed up.
Can you hand me that bag real quick, Levi, behind you? We'll just elevate her leg. Hang in there, Mandy.
How's that? Are you comfortable? I know, stupid question. The EMS is here. We're going to go ahead and let them take over now.